Students have seen these panels on the roof and got pretty excited about it and think we're pretty space age, which is quite cool. And we've talked about why we've done it, and we've tried to link that into what we're doing in our classrooms as well, and some learning behind that, because I think that's really important.
solarZero has a really close connection with Shelly Park. I've had a number of family friends whose kids have gone through the school. John, who looks after our school's program, has had 2 kids, Mia and Kate, go through the school. And of course Ed, school principal, he's a solarZero customer, so it's just so great to see that connection developing further.
Matt told me about solar and just sort of the benefits of it, so that's when my wife and I decided to put that into our home. We are completely carbon neutral with our power now, which is pretty amazing. Once we'd put that in the home, I could see the benefits of it. Then I started to talk to our board about putting it into school. We're an Enviro school, so I think when we think about that, we want to walk the talk as well.
So solarZero has always been a community-focused business, and schools are at the heart of every New Zealand community. If we can install solar on 2,500 schools in New Zealand, we'll reduce New Zealand's carbon emissions by 5%.
It was done in the school holidays, so they worked around us. When you have 500 kids on site, it's a little bit tricky, so they worked in with our program and gave us a week deadline, and we're up and we're away, so it was easy.
We know that schools across New Zealand are doing it tough right now. We estimate that Shelly Park will save $40,000 over 20 years. We hope that makes a meaningful contribution to the school community.
Schools don't have a lot of spare cash. We're always looking at ways within our bulk grant, where do we save money? And so this is just a great starting point for us. When those savings were projected to us, that sort of, as a board, we sort of thought, well, no-brainer to sort of go down that path.